it's important because we constitute 15% of the population, and the majority of the 42 million Latinos in the U.S. are under the age of 18. So juvenile justice is critical for the Latino community. Some of the challenges that Latino kids face specifically are those around language barriers. A lot of the kids who are in the system don't speak English very well, and those who do, perhaps their parents are not fluent. Further, I would say that it is known that Latino youth are treated more harshly than other youth, even though they're committing the same exact crime. The lack of data is perhaps one of the biggest stumbling blocks. Without the data from different jurisdictions, we cannot really ascertain the scope of who is in the system. And without ascertaining who is in the system, we cannot really advocate for programs that are culturally and linguistically competent for that youth. The other challenge is that there are not enough programs in the community that can serve Latino youth and their parents in an evidence-based way, in a way where we can say this program is culturally and linguistically competent and it's evidence-based, and therefore is going to have successful outcomes for youth. There's not that many of those practices. One of NCLR's goals through the MacArthur Foundation's Models for Change initiative is to raise awareness about juvenile justice reform. We can have the research, we can have the polling, we can have the willingness at the state level, but we must have the willingness and the know-how at the community level so that the changes can be implemented and so that community leaders can know where and how and to whom to advocate for different means or different reforms. So we view this as a very critical and important step moving forward, not only for system reform, but frankly, for Latino community growth and empowerment in an issue area which is new.